That's the end. What's the story called?
Pat, Maddie, and Taddy, and that's it. Mr. Pedro is bad guy.
Mr. Who is the bad guy?
Peter is a bad guy.
Mr. Peter is the bad guy?
Yeah.
I thought Mr. McGregor was the bad guy.
Oh, he's the bad guy. I know Mr. McGregor holding Peter Rabbit over.
Okay, say hi. Turn around. Tell me. Wait, tell me. Whose birthday is it today?
Maggie!
How old are you?
3.
Look at me.
All right, you got it.
6.
You're 6?
Yeah.
Oh.
She's not Sonia.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.